Welcome viewers, welcome to BK Electronics. Today I am going to introduce the chip level servicing of laptop VGA card. The defects of VGA card starts with the sudden appearance of this kind of blue screen. If you keenly observe what is written, you can see at the last line it is written as video TDR failure. Friends, first of all, this blue screen appears when there is a defect in drivers or hardware working inside the PC or laptop. So before going to dismantle, please ensure whether the problem is exactly with the hardware or drivers. For this, first we must log into the safe mode, for which we have to switch off the system 2-3 times, and very next time it will show entering to the Windows repairing mode, and in that mode we have to select the safe mode and then again relog into safe mode. After getting into safe mode, you can go to the device drivers and you have to disable the graphic card. Now so restart the computer to the normal mode and PC will log into the Windows normally. Now there will not be any blue screen, but the only thing is that now your Windows main graphic card is not working. So now it is the inbuilt main graphic card is only working. So in order to repair the main graphic card, we are going to open the laptop. How we are going to going into the safe mode and all that video, if required, I will send you later on. Take out the hard disk as shown. You have to slide it right towards the right. Take out the CD drives. Now remove all the screws. Only RAM cover we have to remove. RAM is not need to remove. So all the screws has been removed. We are removing the cover. You can see the two copper tubes connected to a fan. This is known as heatsink. One copper tube is connected to Intel i3 processor and another tube is connected to the VGA card. So very carefully remove all the screws of fan and the 4 screws connected to the i3 processor and 2 screws connected to the VGA card. We have to disconnect the electrical connection also. Then we have removed the fan. Now you can see the heatsink paste which is applied over the processors, that you have to clean it out later on. Now with the help of this SMD rework station, we are going to heat up the VGA card, putting the 250 to 300 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to resolder. Actually we are going to resoldering the VGA card. So if any dry soldering problems are there, it will be cleared off. Take adequate precaution not to melt any other SMD surface devices which is already mounted over the VGA card. So now we are gently heating up the VGA card, so that the solder will get melt and again it will get, the contacts will get firmly connected. Please heat up for at least 2 minutes and let it cool down. Before cooling down, don't touch it. Okay, this much is only the rectification repair. Now we have to remount all the things. Clean the heatsink and apply the heatsink paste before mounting it over the processors. This is the heatsink paste. Now we are applying to the i3 and also to the VGA card after cleaning it. Now we are applying the heatsink paste. Heatsink paste is a good conductor of heat, so that after placing the copper zincs, heat sinks, it will get a good connection in the good surface contact to the IC chips, so the heat can be dissipated very easily. Now place the heatsink gently over the processors. Before finally tightening the heatsink over the processors and the VGA graphic card, just seat it firmly. You have to just rub it with the help of the heatsink itself. You rub it over the paste so that uniformly the paste will get distributed. You can say like this, you have to just rub it. You can seating. This is not a seating, so it is, you are gently seating perfectly and firmly over the chip. Then you tighten it. Any excess heatsink paste will be there, that will be distributed to other areas. Tighten all the bolts. Four screws are for the Intel i3 processor and other 2 screws are for the VGA card, and 2 screws for the fan, cooling fan, and don't forget to give the connection of the electrical connection to the cooling fan. This is the electrical connection we are giving, like this. Now we are going to peg mount the cover and all. Please ensure that there should not be any loose parts or loose waste items inside this one. Clean it, clear it, then only cover it. Okay, we are assembling back. We are mounting the hard disk back like this. Not this one, this one. These 2 screws to be tightened first. That is towards the yellow strip. That must be tightened first. Putting the CD drive. Fasten all the screws of the CD drive. Now tighten all the peripheral screws. Hard disk cover. RAM cover. However, everything is mounted. We are attaching the battery. Okay, now let us boot it. Now the VGA card, if the VGA card problem has been rectified, it will directly log into the normal Windows mode. It's booting now. Yeah, very good. It has been logged in to the normal Windows mode. There is no problem. Clarity is very good. So it means the VGA card is working now. Again, we will recheck it with the help of the device driver, device manager. You go to device manager and check the VGA card is enabled or not. You must see that both the VGA card should be enabled. That is, one is Intel built-in which VGA card is there, that should be also there, and with another AMD VGA card is there, that also should be working. Both should be enabled. It is entering to the device manager. Okay, you can see the VGA cards here. Both VGA cards are there. It's already enabled. We are going to just disable it. We're just checking everything is okay. Yes, drivers are installed properly. No need to upgrade the drivers. Now we have disabled the VGA card, and still you can see the system is working. It means it's okay. Now VGA card is enabled again, so the clarity is also good. It is very much fast. Now we will try to play a video. If the VGA card is not working, the play videos will not work. It will start stacking up. Videos are not available. We will search for a good video. Yes, very good. At full clarity it is working now. So it means the VGA card is working. There is no problem. We have done a resoldering only. With the help of the resoldering reworkstation, we rectified all these problems. 98% of system